Here is a room tour of room 10279 aboard the Carnival Celebration.
Oh, it's you guys. Hi.
So, open the door. First, we have our king size beds, 2 twins made into a king. We'll start in this section over here. On each side of the bed is a USB plug. And I think it's actually a really cool reading light. You just pull it out, turns on, and you have light. And there's one on each side.
And you can aim it wherever you want it.
Yep, aim wherever you want. And in the middle here, we actually have controls for all of the lights in the main part of the room, except the vanity light. So go ahead. That one goes to the headboard.
Who's lighting?
This one goes to the main light overhead. And the last one goes to the lighting as you enter. So that is pretty cool. Now, the bed has plenty of room underneath for storage. So actually our luggage is under this. I'm not gonna show you underneath there. Has some pretty artwork that Alicia wants to take home.
It does not come off the wall, just to let y'all know.
Decent sized television. This is kind of an angled corner in this room because it's not a connecting room. And below that is a shelf for various different items. We've got our cups, towels, and things. And under that is our mini bar. Now it says that it's not a mini fridge, but we've had some sodas in there and it actually got pretty decently cold. Yeah. So now on the opposite side of the room here, we have this cool stool / storage bench that you can pull out, sit on it, or you flip the top over for like a little table, which we haven't actually used that yet. So it looks like they've got some of our linens in there. Now we've got a desk area. It's plenty of area and space for various electronics. I've actually been doing some editing on my MacBook there. We have a total of 4 USBs and 3 normal plugs. And then you have the control for the vanity light here. Now to the left of that, we have our waters and our phone and some shelves for storage. These are various ducks that we have found on our cruise. Let's see, the Summers and the Cheek family, as well as the Ross family. So we'll see. We'll post on Instagram and see if they see it. Air conditioning above. Now we've got our cabinets. The cabinets are pretty cool. So open up, there's a full-size mirror on the left side. I'm gonna show you the right side first. So you can have a full-length cabinet, or you can undo this here and pull that and you have a shelf. Oh yeah, closet, sorry. I kept calling it cabinet. Very similar for the left side, which this is my stuff. I have 2 shelves. And then there's also a full-length mirror. So I have 2 shelves down, but there's plenty of room for all of our clothes and stuff. And very similar back here. In the second set, closest to the door, you could, actually this one's a little bit different. You can't move this shelf. You have the safe. You have some, pull-out baskets.
My favorite part down at the bottom.
Yeah, that's something. There's actually a shoe organizer. So you can actually, a shoe rack. So you can pull this out and it goes back in. And then the left side, there is actually a adjustable shelf, or you could have very long dresses in here. Now, behind the door, we have, of course, our safety information. Now, near the door, we have your air conditioning controls right here. I'm gonna keep it on cool. You also have your main light controls here, as well as the slot. You can keep a card, and it doesn't have to be your ship card, but this actually helps with energy saving when you leave the room, but we actually just kind of leave a card in there. Now we're getting towards the bathroom. Right to the left of the bathroom, we have these 3 hooks for various items. We have my hat I got in Aruba, and the hat she got in Aruba, as well as the light switch for the bathroom, which is outside the bathroom. And I just turned it off by accident. Now, I can't lie, I'm a bigger dude, bigger guy, and the bathroom is kind of tiny. But here in the bathroom, we've got shelves for storage, sink, of course, decent sized mirror. Hi. And then above on the right hand side, we've actually got a single plug that you can use for various different items. There's also a makeup mirror that you can turn and use. Now on the other side, we have our shower with a shower door that you pull and it pivots. It's kind of nice. I still think shower's a little small, but it's a cruise ship, so kind of that's what happens. You do have a shower handle that you can remove and use as however you like. There's also a bar down here, so if you want to shave your legs or use it for whatever you like. There. So that's the bathroom, and that is a tour of room 10279 aboard the Carnival Celebration. Hope you enjoyed the video.